Saw that coming.
That was well played, well stopped.
So we're still where we started right now.
Eto
Goes for a shot! Goal! Knocks it out wide. That's a sharp pass. And that's been intercepted.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Eto! Sensational from Eto!
Vulnerability until the move was stifled. That'll have stirred a little concern.
Platini is having a shot! Euphoria! Options for movement. Platini. Looks a good ball through. Oh, that's fabulous. Shoots! Goal!
A few interesting options, Peter. Try sitting on this or push on with the opposition now forced to come out.
It's played through for him. Goes for a shot! Oh, super goal! Oh, it really is a finish of the highest order. Again, in a trice, and they are... And he's cut it out. Aubameyang. Totti. He's having a shot! Euphoria! Zanetti promptly onto that, and that is that. Oh, Slattery! And it's in! And they're threatening to fly away here. Ball now. Tries one from range. Sensational from Eto! Time, elation on one side, misery on the other.
Belgium absolutely dominated that half, Peter, and now it's all about game management. There's no need to overstretch themselves. Just stay calm and see this one out.
Belgium seemingly the only team to have turned up here. It is 3-0 at the break. Looking to pass their way up the pitch. It's roll! Maldini is very much of the non-shell pass school of defending. And it's Michel Platini. Great ball. It's Luis Suarez! And it's there! Platini looking for the run. And this is Eto. Oh, that's fabulous. Takes a shot!